Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Halloween Drawings, and today we're gonna go over how to draw a cat face. A very cute, simplistic cat face and marker, a black cat. So let's get started. Oops, wrong marker. Okay, this one. So we're gonna go very simple kind of L shape on one side. Duplicate that shape on the other. Very similar shape at the top, flat of the head. On that side as well. Rounded bottom, so you kind of already have the outside of this, outside of the head. Inside of the ear, inside of the other ear. Circle for the eye. Circle for the other eye. Triangle for the nose. This kind of U shape for the mouth here. Little one for the mouth, open mouth for the tongue. You can do either one. And then throw whiskers. 3 lines. Very simple. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a black colored pencil. Or you can even just use your regular pencil because it's a dark color and just shade it in. You can do it lightly or you can do it extremely hard, but try to do it lightly because the cool thing about it is that if you do it light, you can really see like the marker, and that's kind of what you want to do here. You want to be able to see the marker. So just kind of, I'm just going to do it really light. Use the side of the pencil for the most part. I'm just going to fill in most of this. Hopefully you guys are having a great Halloween. We're posting a video every single day. I'm thinking about maybe posting 2 videos every day for the last bit till Halloween, because Halloween's like in 10 days now. Thinking about doing that, just kind of posting twice a day. Let me know if you guys want me to do that, because if I post twice a day, I'm probably gonna post morning and afternoon. Gonna do that. Now I'm gonna grab an orange for the eyes. Now I grab a pink for the nose and the tongue here. And if you really want, you can kind of even out the black of the cat itself. I'm going to even it out a little bit. But that's pretty much it. It's really, really easy. I want to kind of stress that it's an extremely easy process and that anyone can do it. But yeah, that's kind of it. Thank you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Later.